Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing or unbagging our Tribe Beauty box for the month of August. For those of you who are not familiar with Tribe, I will leave all of the information down below. So if you would like to try it out, all of the information will be readily available for you. So let's just go ahead and dig right into the bag. Now this is an every other month box. So the first thing we have is our description card, and it says, "Hello beautiful, here is what's in your Tribe Beauty box." Okay, so the first item that we have is, okay, I'm getting a lot of these lately, by Wander Beauty, and this is the Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel. Now it says the lightweight and flexible texture makes it easy to precisely fill in brows, giving you a natural, fuller look. Equipped with a comb-like wand to easily groom hairs with a soft hold that's never stiff or sticky. Precise bristles coat every hair and sculpt brows into your desired shape. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $22. Now, Wander Beauty is a brand that we've had around for a little while. Their packaging is always nice. This is what the inside packaging looks like, and this is 0.20 ounces. And I have, oh, it looks as if it's clear. How about that? How about that? Okay, I've been getting dark brown or black lately. It says this is formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and it is also vegan. Okay, now what I am looking for, and you already know, is the shelf life. And this one has the normal, it's a 6-month shelf life on this product. So we're not gonna open it until we're ready to use it, okay? So that is item number 1. Then item number 2 is by the company SPONGELLE. Now I do love SPONGELLE, love their body wash in a sponge, okay? But this one is the Salted Rose Mani Pedi Treatment Set. It says this treatment set is the perfect treat for your dry hands and tired feet. Infused with a skin softening formula and soothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp, these buffers are the solution to silky, polished hands and feet. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $18. Now it says this one 7+ washes from each buffer, and it is a net weight of 3 ounces. Okay, and this says this is the all-in-one beauty treatment, and it is dermatologist tested. The directions say wet. How about I show you what it actually looks like? So this is what the dual product looks like, okay? And the directions say wet, squeeze to release the lather, use soft side to cleanse, buffer side to exfoliate. After use, simply squeeze the excess water from the SPONGELLE buffer, and it sits until you're ready to do it again. And I am loving this. So how about it has a 12-month shelf life, okay? So, oh, it has such a nice clean scent. Yeah, that smells nice. Okay, I'm here for that. I'm here for that. So that is item number 2. Then the next item is by Symbiosis London, and it's the Prestige Invigorating and Resurfacing Eye Contour. It says Symbiosis Invigorating and Resurfacing Eye Contour works to intensely nourish the delicate eye area and perform a firming and lifting effect, instantly smoothing the look of skin to leave the eyelids and eye contour looking toned and reshaped. You ready for it? Manufacturer suggested retail price, $125. Now, yes, this is a full size. You know, when we use products for the eye, they tend to come in a smaller size, okay? So it says prebiotics plus retinoids, and it is a 0.50 fluid ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a cruelty-free product. Okay, so this one is item number 3. Oh, and the tube is almost full. How about that? Okay, moving right along, the next item we have is by the BALM. Okay, and it looks like this. And this is the Batter Up eyeshadow stick in the shade Outfield. And it says, the BALM Batter Up eyeshadow stick is a long-wearing cream shadow for women who know how to play the field. These high-pigmented shadow and base multitaskers come in 8 blendable and buildable shades, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $17. Let's just see what it says. This is what the inside packaging looks like, and it says Batter Up right here. Of course, it has all the batting and baseball terminology all over this particular box, which I think is rather cool. It has a mock ticket with seat numbers and section on it. It says Fenway Park Stadium. This is very interesting. All right, so let's get to the product itself. It is a 1.6 gram size, or 0.06 ounces. And this is actually the shade that I have. And it is called Outfield, as I mentioned before. Now, this has a 24-month shelf life. So what does that mean? You know we're going to swatch it. Look. This is what, oh, this is a beautiful green. It's like a military. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Definitely like that. And it's very, very creamy. And it goes on matte, okay? Now, the good thing is, in addition to it having a 24-month shelf life, it is a cruelty-free product. And it's long wearing. I'm looking forward to our try on and review for this product. This is really nice. And we have one more item. I don't know what's going on with my voice today. Okay, so this one is by Bella Beauty, which is also the brand that I used for my eyeshadow look today. And this is the Lotus Love eyeshadow palette. And it says the Lotus Love palette represents the calming lotus flower with some flair, a mix of matte and pressed glitters to amp up your look this summer, okay? The manufacturer suggested retail price is $12. Their packaging is always so beautiful. How about that? That is gorgeous. Okay, wow. And this says good vibes. It's all in your head. Petals 12B. Now, this one is a 16 shade palette. And I'm going to show you this. This is just gorgeous. It's just really, really gorgeous. So it does come with the full-size mirror, so I have covered it. Look at that. Those are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so what shall we swatch? We'll just choose one from each row. Okay, these are the 4 shades that I swatched. Okay, so here are the shades that I swatched. And starting at the top, this one is called Petals. Then the second one is, boy, that is really nice. Okay, the second one is Muddy. The third one is Marvelous. And the fourth one is Fantasy. Okay, how about that? Okay, so I really do like the items that we received in this bi-monthly box. Now, I enjoy getting the Try Beauty box. The only challenge that I have with it is they've switched their shipping companies, and it takes them forever. It takes them forever. And in order to get any type of tracking information, you have to upload their app. I'm not uploading an app for one product. I'm not doing that. I don't need all of these extra things on my phone or my tablet. So, nonetheless, I think that this was a very nice mixture of products. We have some skincare. Okay, so this one is the hands and feet as well as the eye. So I do like that very much. Then the Wander Beauty, the brow gel. This, to me, I'm very interested in. I've never seen this before. Like I said, I don't know if this was something that was new for baseball season or something. I don't know, but I definitely do like the shade. So I'm very excited to try that. And of course, this Be Bella palette, the packaging is beautiful. The shades are beautiful, okay? Now, I will tell you that the top one that I swatched, the first one here, to me, it was just, that particular one was a little more chalky than the rest, but I just have to work with it, I see. So we'll check that out further. But like I was telling you about the packaging, let me show you what I mean. The package that I used today, this is it right here. Gorgeous. So, and that one is called Shades of Roses. So Be Bella, keep it coming with this gorgeous packaging. However, it is at a very affordable price. And as long as these shades are going to do what they need to do, we're going to check and make sure that they're long lasting and easy to work with. So if that is indeed the case, look, we'll give it thumbs up all day. Okay, so I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Tribe Beauty Box for the months of July and August. Excuse me from the frog sound in my voice this morning. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I need to get some more sleep. I don't know. Okay, so these are the products that were included in this bi-monthly box. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.